Pears are not only delicious but also pack numerous nutritional benefits. These fruits are rich in essential nutrients such as dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Among vitamins, pears are particularly high in vitamin C, which is an important antioxidant that helps protect the body from free radical damage. They also contain vitamin K, which plays a role in blood clotting and bone health, as well as smaller amounts of B vitamins like folate and B6 that support metabolic functions. Pears are a good source of dietary fiber, with one medium pear providing around 6 grams. This is about 24% of the recommended daily intake, and the fiber in pears, primarily the soluble type, helps in maintaining digestive health, lowering cholesterol levels, and managing blood sugar levels. Additionally, pears contain several important minerals such as potassium and copper. Potassium is crucial for heart health and muscle function, while copper is important for red blood cell production and maintaining a healthy immune system. Pears also boast a variety of phytonutrients including flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. One significant advantage of pears is their hypoallergenic properties, which make them a good fruit choice for individuals with food sensitivities. Pears also have a low glycemic index, GI, meaning they release sugar slowly into the bloodstream, making them a suitable option for diabetic individuals. In terms of quality, pears are best consumed when they are ripe, but not overly soft. They should be firm to the touch with a slight give. The skin of the pear can range from green to yellow to red, depending on the variety, and this can often indicate its sweetness and flavor profile. It's important to store pears at room temperature until they ripen. Once ripe, they can be stored in the refrigerator to prolong their freshness. In conclusion, pears are a versatile fruit that offers numerous health benefits and can be enjoyed in various ways. Whether eaten fresh, baked, or cooked, they provide a tasty and healthy addition to any diet.